The village of Amani nestled peacefully in the valley, sunlight dappling through the leaves of ancient baobab trees. Huts with thatched roofs stood side by side, whispering tales of generations past. Here lived Mama Kemi, her wisdom as deep and strong as the roots of those baobabs. She was the keeper of herbal secrets, passed down from mother to daughter for centuries. Her door was always open, a beacon of hope for those seeking natural healing. Mama Kemi's home was filled with the aromas of drying herbs, their pungent earthy scents a testament to their potency. Dried bundles hung from rafters, their leaves rustling in the gentle breeze that wafted through the open windows. Clay pots lined the shelves, each one labeled with hand-painted symbols, their contents a rainbow of dried flowers, roots, and bark. Mama Kemi moved among them with quiet grace, her hands knowing instinctively which herb to choose for each ailment. Amina, a young woman with eyes as bright as the morning sun, had been battling a persistent cough. It had started subtly, a tickle in her throat, but had blossomed into a hacking that shook her whole body. Sleep offered no respite, her nights filled with fits of coughing that left her exhausted. The village elder had recommended Mama Kemi, her name spoken with reverence and respect. Village elder: "You should visit Mama Kemi. She has helped many with her knowledge of herbs." Amina approached Mama Kemi's hut, her heart heavy with worry. She had heard the stories, tales of miraculous healing using nothing but the earth's bounty. Hope flickered within her, a fragile flame amidst the fear. Taking a deep breath, she knocked gently on the wooden door. "Mama Kemi, come child, tell me what troubles you." Mama Kemi's warm smile when she opened the door calmed Amina's anxieties. Amina stepped inside, her senses filled with the intoxicating aroma of healing herbs. Amina rasped, her voice hoarse and weak. Mama Kemi listened patiently, her eyes filled with understanding. She placed a comforting hand on Amina's arm, her touch as warm and reassuring as the afternoon sun. "Mama Kemi, don't worry, child. Nature provides for all our needs. We will find a remedy that will soothe your throat and bring back the strength to your lungs." Mama Kemi led Amina to a table laden with herbs. Each one, she explained, held a unique power, a specific gift of healing. She pointed out the plump cloves, their spicy aroma hinting at their ability to fight infection. Next, she picked up a knobby piece of ginger, explaining its power to soothe inflammation and calm coughs. Finally, she showed Amina the vibrant turmeric root, its golden hue reflecting its ability to boost immunity and fight off illness. Section 4, the ritual of remedy.
With Amina by her side, Mama Kemi began to assemble the ingredients for the remedy.
She explained that the process of preparation was just as important as the herbs themselves.
Each action is imbued with intention, a prayer for healing woven into every step.
First, she took a handful of cloves and, with a mortar and pestle, gently crushed them, releasing their potent fragrance. The rhythmic pounding filled the air, a soothing sound to Amina's ears. Next, Mama Kemi took a piece of ginger and sliced it thinly, her movements precise and deliberate.
Slicing the ginger helps release its healing oils more effectively.
Finally, she peeled and grated a small piece of turmeric, its bright yellow color staining her fingers a cheerful hue. Amina watched, captivated, as Mama Kemi worked, her every movement imbued with purpose. Section 5. A taste of tradition. With the ingredients prepared, Mama Kemi filled a clay pot with water and placed it over a low fire. She added the crushed cloves, sliced ginger, and grated turmeric to the pot, explaining that the gentle heat would help extract their healing properties. As the mixture simmered, a fragrant steam rose, filling the hut with a comforting warmth. Mama Kemi allowed the herbs to steep for a good while, ensuring the water absorbed their full potency. When the infusion was ready, Mama Kemi carefully poured it through a fine mesh sieve, removing the spent herbs. The remaining liquid was a rich golden color, its aroma a symphony of spice and warmth.
Drink this, child. It will soothe your throat and bring you comfort.
Amina took a hesitant sip, surprised by the pleasant, slightly spicy flavor. Section 6. A legacy of healing. Amina continued to visit Mama Kemi each day, sipping the herbal infusion and feeling her strength return. The cough gradually subsided, her lungs healing with each breath. More than the remedy itself, it was Mama Kemi's wisdom and compassion that truly healed Amina. She learned not only about the power of herbs, but also about the importance of listening to her body and respecting the rhythms of nature. As the days turned into weeks, Amina's health was fully restored. She embraced Mama Kemi, her heart overflowing with gratitude. She had arrived at Mama Kemi's doorstep filled with fear, but she left with a newfound sense of hope and a deep appreciation for the healing power of nature. Amina knew that she would carry the lessons she had learned from Mama Kemi with her always, passing down the village's ancient wisdom to generations to come.